Hi guys, this is a quick video about how to score some freebies from Circle K. So there is currently like a game you can play on their website, which is like rock, paper, scissors. And spoiler alert, you literally always win. And you can play once a day. So, and you can only, sorry, you play once a day with a cell phone number, with any cell phone number. This is what I have gone to pick up just this week. So I've gotten 4 waters, 4 of these Guru organic energy drinks, 2 of these energy high caffeine Coca-Colas, 2 of these Mad energy drinks, 3 vitamin waters, 2 bags of Circle K chips, and a medium coffee this morning. So this is just the receipts from the ones that I grabbed this morning, but you can see total $0, total $0. No coupon needed. You just play the game, you head to the Circle K that you want, and redeem it. Like there's just like a barcode on your phone, they scan it and it's completely free. So highly doubt you take advantage. And if you sign up for the first time with your phone number, you can hit Circle K like coupons. And I believe there is like 1 free drink. I can't remember which drink it is. But yeah, just check out the Circle K website, play the game every day, set a reminder, because you don't always win like one of these. Usually the main prizes are buy one, get one free. But I only go to redeem when it's a completely free product. So yeah, check them out, guys. Have fun. Bye.